This year at ISAC, we moved cytometry forward together. Guided by our mission to foster an inclusive, multidisciplinary international community, our members and volunteers made an extraordinary impact. With the leadership of our executive committee, council, and over 260 volunteers, we advanced innovation, training, and global access to cytometry. We also welcome Jess Homa, our new executive director, whose leadership is helping guide ISAC into its next chapter. In 2025, we launched 3 new e-courses, delivered hands-on workshops in resource-limited regions, and donated refurbished cytometers to labs around the world who need them most. We hosted webinars. We launched our YouTube channel with free educational content and extended access to high-quality cytometry knowledge worldwide. At our annual Congress in Denver, Colorado, we celebrated excellence with over 1,600 participants and 80 exhibiting companies from more than 40 countries. We presented 11 awards, recognized 4 new SRL labs, and welcomed 12 new scientists into our leadership development program. We also co-hosted CYTO Connect in Perth, Australia, with the Australasian Cytometry Society, building the foundation for future collaboration in the region. As we look ahead to 2026, ISAC is committed to growing science, expanding access, and strengthening the global cytometry community. Your support fuels training, empowers SRLs, delivers hands-on education, and opens access to knowledge everywhere. Thank you for being part of this journey, and let's keep the flow going.